Hello, dear kids. Come, let's learn the sound of G. There are two sounds of G. One is hard sound, and that sound is G. Hard sound is G, like G, G, got. And another is soft G sound, and soft sound is J. Soft sound is J, like J, J, giraffe. Fine. Two sounds, hard sound and soft sound. Hard sound is G and soft sound is J. Okay. Now we will start with hard sound of G. G, G, got. G, G, girl. G, G, game. G, G, gift. Gift. G, G, gold. Gold. G, G, green. Green. Now we will start with soft G sound, that is J. J, J, giraffe. J, J, giant. Giant means very big. J, J, gym. Gym. Thank you for watching.